Hey there, developers. Today I'm going to give you a crash course in PHP programming. Whether you're a complete beginner or just brushing up, I've got you covered. First off, what is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. It's a server-side scripting language that's super popular for web development. Think of it as the backbone behind dynamic websites like Facebook or WordPress. To start coding in PHP, you need two things: a code editor and a server. You can use anything from Notepad++ to Visual Studio Code. For the server, something like XAMPP or MAMP works perfectly. Alright, let's dive into some code. Open your editor and save a file with a PHP extension. The first thing you need to know is how to start and end PHP tags. It's simple: PHP. Everything between those tags is PHP code. Now let's talk about variables. In PHP, all variables start with a $sign. For example, PHP, this will print John Doe on the screen. Next up, functions. Functions are reusable pieces of code. You define a function using the keyword like this. PHP, this will output hello world. Arrays are another fundamental concept. You can create an array like this. PHP, this will print banana. And finally, let's touch on loops. Loops are essential for repeating code. Here's a quick example using a loop. PHP, this will print numbers 0 to 4. Alright, that's a wrap for this quick guide. Keep experimenting and you'll be a PHP pro in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.